So hello guys, today we are going to learn the switch configuration using Cisco Packet Tracer. So in this we are going to configure one switch using two PC. So down here we have various options for selecting switches, routers, multiple PCs and all. So here we are going to select a switch 2960 and then we are going to connect it using two PCs, two generic PC0 and PC1. So now first of all give the Okay, so we will also need to connect the wires. So we are connecting the wires using to the switches and PC. So now next go to PC0 and then we will give it an IP address. For example, 10.0.0.5. Default gateway will be 10.0.0.1 and DNS server would be 8.8.8.8. And similarly, we will give the IP address default gateway and DNS server to PC2. Here the IP address will be 10.0.0.10. Okay, and default gateway and DNS server will remain the same. So now we are going to the switch, and in switch go to the CLI mode and press the enter once or twice. So now beginning with the instructions, first we have enable. So it will enable the service, and then we will go to the config space T. So I have given the explanation in the description. You can find it there. The host name will be kanji, that is your name, that is the username, and then we will give a password to it. So for now take it as Cisco. So the password will be Cisco, and then we have console. So console will use the instruction line console 0 and then give it a password to it as a Cisco, and it will be the login password. And then we have VTY instruction. So it comes with VTY 0 to 4. So for the instruction for VTY is line space VTY space 0 space 4. So it will go from 0 up to 4. And then after VTY we will require to log in. So for it we have login local and then transport input telnet. So now we are going to give the username a password. So after this we will have username, that is username space the actual user, that is kanji, username kanji, password Cisco. The password we will give Cisco here, and then we will need to interface VLAN. So for that we have interface VLAN 1, and now we are going to give an IP address to the switch. So the instruction for that is IP address space 10.0.0.2, that is the IP address for this, and then the default gateway. So we will not shut it down. So for now it will be no shutdown. So after this we can see that we have interfaced, and now we are going to see the running configuration. So we'll need to get out of here, that is exit, and now we are going to type show running hyphen config, show running hyphen config. Okay, so now it will show all the running configurations which are running over here. As you can see, the host name is kanji, and then the password that is encrypted over here, that is enable secret. Okay, so now as we press the enter, we are getting all the available, that is from 0 up to, it will go up to 24, as you can see over here. And then at below we have IP address, that is 10.0.0.2, and then we have the password of the line console. But now you can see that the password is visible, so we need to encrypt that password. So we will go back to the config by config space T, and now we will encrypt that password by service password, that is service space password hyphen encryption, and then we will exit it, and then again we will go to the show running config, that is show space running hyphen config. And now as we enter, we can see that the password, that is the password which was visible prior, is now has now been encrypted, as you can see below over here. Yeah, so we can see the password has been encrypted now. So we are done with the procedure. So now we will we will go to the PC and check whether the switch has been configured or not. So in PC command prompt, first we'll ping it. So we have a command ping space 10.0.0.2, that is the IP address of the switch. So it will ping it, and it looks good. So now we are going to have telnet space 10.0.0.2. Yes. So now it's asking for the user verification, that is username, that is kanji, and then password, which I had kept as Cisco. See, as you can see that we had entered into it. So now doing with PC1 same telnet 10.0.0.2 username kanji and password Cisco. As you can see, we have entered over it. That's it. Thank you.